how to update your Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. So if you want to update your Google Chrome browser, it's normally quite very simple to update it. Open the Google Chrome browser. Then what you have to do is from the very top right hand side, just click the three dots option and just scroll and just look for this option called settings and just go to settings. Now, once you go to settings on the left hand side, you'll find an option at the bottom left that says about Chrome. When you go to about Chrome, you will see if Chrome has an update, and if it does, it'll automatically update itself. All you have to do is let it update it, make sure you're connected to the internet, and just relaunch Google Chrome to finish with the installation of the update. This way, you'll be able to update Google Chrome on Windows 10 or 11. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.